Welcome. In this video, I'll be guiding you through a simple step-by-step process on how to hide notifications for groups on the Telegram app for PC, especially with the new update that has made the layout a little more organized. If you've been distracted by endless group messages popping up on your screen, this quick tutorial will help you take full control of your notifications and keep things peaceful when you need focus. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram application on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account, and you'll land on your main chat list, where all of your conversations appear. Next, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the familiar 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a sidebar where you'll find a variety of options to help you manage your account, preferences, and settings. From this menu, select Settings. Once you're inside the Settings page, you'll notice different categories where you can customize Telegram to suit your needs. Here, click on Notifications and Sounds. This section is specifically designed to give you control over what kind of notifications you want to allow, and from whom. Inside this section, you'll find different toggles for private chats, channels, and groups. Focus on the option labeled Groups. By default, group notifications are usually turned on, which is why you've been getting alerted every time someone sends a new message in a group. Now, simply disable the toggle for groups. Once you turn it off, Telegram will stop sending you notifications for group messages. This means you won't be disturbed by every single ping, but you can still open the group chats anytime you want to catch up on the conversation. And that's it, you're done. With just a few clicks, you've successfully hidden notifications for groups on Telegram PC. This update makes managing notifications more straightforward, and it's the perfect way to keep your focus without missing out on your most important private chats or updates. If you follow these steps, you'll enjoy a more organized and distraction-free Telegram experience right on your PC.